You're watching Duct Tape and Popsicle Sticks with Mike and Maria Keiser. Because sometimes you feel like your business is being held together by duct tape and popsicle sticks. On this show, you're not going to hear the latest business fad. You're going to get useful information that you can apply to your own business right now.
Hello and thanks for hanging out with us for another unbelievable episode of Duct Tape and Popsicle Sticks. I'm Mike Keiser, along with a woman who thinks it's a funny prank to replace people's seeing eye dog with a Tasmanian devil, Maria Keiser. How?
I think you've used that one before.
Thanks for, because everybody remembers every single word I say. Thank you for throwing me under the bus and ruining a perfectly good joke, but it's nice to see you too.
Okay. Well, I mean, just come up with better content.
Oh my goodness.
Anyway.
Jeez. Well, before we go on to the content, as usual, everything you need to know is in the show notes below the video, how to reach us, how to learn more about getting to our website, etc., etc. So it's all there. But what I wanted to talk about today is because we try not only to share philosophical things about marketing and growing your business, but real practical things too. And I know that we've done a video or two about the power and the importance of video, but because of that, we've had a number of people say, yeah, but I don't really know how to do it. And do I need expensive cameras, and do I need a bunch of lights, and where do I start, and how do I publish it, and is it expensive, etc. So Maria, I was wondering if you could give just a couple minute tutorial if you know that you believe video is an important piece of your marketing, but you don't know where to start.
Sure. So if you're starting and you're just not sure if you want to make an investment, what I will share with you is something that will cost you $0 extra. So you can take a video using your smartphone, your iPhone, your Android, and you could literally take that video and upload it right to YouTube. Now, if you wanted to make it a little fancier, a couple of other things that you could do that wouldn't cost you any money is most of your PCs, unless you have a Mac, would come with Movie Maker, and that's part of your Windows package there. So you can open up Windows Movie Maker, upload the movie there. There's a few little bells and whistles in there to help you publish your video.
Where if you want to put graphics in it or subtitles, it's real simple.
And another tool you can use to help make some of your tiles is go on a PowerPoint and create a slide and then save it as a JPEG or a PNG file.
And you can insert it right into your video.
And you can insert it right in there. Another neat thing is YouTube has music. It's royalty-free music, so you can download the music if you want to add music or noises to your videos. That's another great tool. But then once you get to YouTube, once you've published your video, then it's as easy as going to YouTube, signing in. You'll need to sign into your account and hit the at the top in the right-hand corner. There's a little movie camera with a plus sign. You just hit that, and then you upload your video from your computer. So
you're saying just to have the privilege, if you will, to upload videos to YouTube, you just create a YouTube account?
Just create a YouTube
account. And you use your own email address or whatever to do that, right?
You use your own, well, I think they like you to have a Gmail account.
Okay.
And a lot of times a lot of people now do have Google accounts. If you don't, you'll have to create a Gmail account first.
Okay, simple enough.
It's pretty user-friendly. Attached to in the show notes for today, I'm going to attach a step-by-step guide to kind of reiterate what I'm talking about with little icons to show you where everything is. But once you hit that, then you can get your movie from wherever file it is. So if you want to do it right from your phone, you can just upload it right from your phone.
We happen to use a camera, and then we attach it to the laptop, download the video right into the laptop, and there it is. And then you work your production magic.
Right, and then YouTube takes care of the rest. There's little things you can add, like keywords. Make sure you put keywords in. Make sure you put a good description in, because you want to be found. But as far as uploading the video, it's as easy as that.
It is, and you don't have to be a master producer. What's more important these days, I think, is valuable content.
Right.
It really is.
Right.
I mean, you can look at our incredible videos and
Yes.
say, wow, these are awesome producers,
Yes.
right? Isn't
Yes.
that what everybody says? So-
One thing I will say, if you take a video on your phone and you want to use a software like Movie Maker to produce your video, make sure to get the video from your phone to your computer, make sure you put it in a Dropbox or a Google Drive file so it doesn't denigrate the quality of the video, because a lot of times when you try to email it or send it, the quality, the resolution of the video goes down. But other than that, you know, good luck with things. Try it and play around with it.
That's it. Play around, and then if you have any questions on it, you know, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. But if you're thinking that video is a good, potentially a good tool for you, it's not as daunting as you think.
Right.
So thank you for sharing all that with us, and thank you for hanging out with us. We really, really appreciate it. And you've been watching another episode of Duct Tape and Popsicle Sticks, where we make your business better 3 minutes at a time.
Ciao for now.
You're watching Duct Tape and Popsicle Sticks with Mike and Maria Keiser.